How often have you wondered what is the right way to place your cutlery on the table or on the plate? Should you cross them or place them on the sides of your plate, or maybe they should just be kept with their face up? In fact, the way you place your cutlery has a meaning. It may gesture something that you may not even know. Something like asking for more food, or maybe saying that the food was good, or maybe saying that you are done eating. So here we are with yet another episode of English Made Easy with Divya, wherein we are going to discuss the fine dining etiquettes which all the diners must know. So here we begin with the dining etiquettes. So the first thing that you need to know is how to hold your fork and knife. So we always hold the fork in our left hand and the knife in our right hand. The first position you can see on your screen. When you keep your plate like this and the cutlery in this manner, that means the fork to the left of your plate and the knife to the right of your plate, it says that you're ready to begin your meal. The next position in which the cutlery is arranged in this manner, wherein you are trying to say that you're talking to someone and so you have paused eating. The next position in which the cutlery is arranged in this manner, it says that you are ready for the next dish. In the next position, wherein the cutlery is arranged in the crossed manner, we say that you did not like the dish. That is what you're trying to say when you feel that the food was not tasting good. And so to say that it wasn't tasting good, you didn't like the dish, we keep it crossed. Let's check the next etiquette. When you place your cutlery parallel to each other, the fork and the knife, you're trying to say that the food was really good and you're appreciating the dish. Let's check the next etiquette. In this particular etiquette, you're trying to say that you did not appreciate the service. In this way, you have kept the knife has been inserted in the fork. Like I said, you're trying to say that you did not appreciate the service. Let's check the next etiquette. When we keep the fork and the knife parallel to each other in the vertical position, then we say that we are done with our meal. So I hope this was really interesting and we will definitely try it out when we visit the restaurant the next time. Tell me how your experience was and how did the people at the restaurant react to it. So I hope you've learned something new and see you in the next episode of English Made Easy with Divya with new and interesting topic. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.